Okay, hey guys, so in this problem we are given the fourth root of x plus 5, and we are being asked to solve for the values of x, such that the fourth root of x plus 5 is an element in the real numbers. So before we get into this problem, let's get into a little theory behind the problem, just a little bit. So whenever you have a root of something, right? Say you have a root of any expression, let's call that expression x. Just to remind you guys, this x and this x are not the same things. This is just a little side note that's going to help us solve this problem. Whenever we have the nth root of x, if our n is even, that's going to be our condition. Basically, if our n is even and you're taking the nth root of x, where x is any expression in the real plane, then this value is going to be an element of the reals as long as our x is greater than or equal to 0.